Okay, so this is the second part of round one. So I'm going to put the paper on the table and they're going to choose what they're going to draw. So go ahead. Wait, let me set the timer. 30 seconds. Start. So mom got a frog.
Got a bird.
Bird. Crystal?
Rat.
Rat. Alright, stop. Alright. Let's go with Crystal. Rat.
5 being the highest, how much did she get?
A bird.
I look like a cat.
What do you think, guys?
Hey, which one? Which one? Have you done so much? Which one is this one?
Yeah, the bigger one.
Bird. What do you get again? Frog.
Oh, sir. Me know what the bird shape and everything. I mean, no rat shape. I just get
Alright, so you guys are going to comment down below and tell me who won this round. Alright? So comment down below and let me know your winner. So that's the end of round one. So we have a next game to play. So let's begin.
Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.